Welcome to the next tutorial of the King of Fighters. First, thank you so much for subscribing me. And so sorry for waiting, because I just arrived from traveling. And so glad I can use my time to finish and develop new game for tutorial. Okay, in this part, we will learn how is the enemy AI. If you don't want to follow the tutorial, you can download the GMK file in the first video and it's free, but make sure that you downloaded the GMK file to follow the tutorial. If you're confusing, you can see or download the result in the description, or you can see step by step below. For donation, you can visit my Patreon page. You can give me how much you want. And thank you so much for that. Let's start. Create new folder, name it object enemy script. And now create new script, name it object description. What to do. With this, I want the enemy can walk or run to find the player. Create new script, name it description variables. With this, we want to set what time for the enemy walk, run, stance, jump, decide an enemy speed, type. Create new script, name it description time. We want to decrease the time so we can put which numbers of walk, run, jump and stance, type. Create new script, name it description move, choose stance. With this, we will start to tell the enemy to choose walk, run, jump, find direction of player, and stance, type. Just follow me. Create new script, name it SCR enemy artificial intelligence. With this we want to check what time enemy or player can attack or move. For example, I can attack player when player is stance, moving, or guard. Enemy can also know, hey, the player is going to attack the enemy, so enemy will thinking to guard. Okay, hope you understand, and please comment below about my video. What should I do? Make you easier to understand. Type. Create new script, name it SCR check player attack. We will place some sprite with command. Here it is. Type. because I forgot to create landed in variables. So I'll create it here. Now copy and paste SCR enemy artificial intelligence to SCR player true false. Create new script, name it object the SCR what player did. We want the enemy to check if the player stance. The enemy will be able to stance, attack, special, super and move. Create new script, name it SCR AI check, enemy move. This time the enemy will decide to attack, move, and guard type. Now open OTerra object. Open variables. We will create or command the enemy to attack or move type. Move to new action or create new code. We will set player distance to the enemy and command to attack, move or guard type. Copy and paste to other enemy characters. Let's see the result. I will also edit exit text to move to the correct room. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to get the newest tutorial of Gamemaker. Support me by share this video to your friends. For donation you can visit my Patreon page in the description. You can donate how much you want. Happy coding!